Hi guys! Today I would like to make chocolate nut muffin. This muffin is really delicious and very easy to make. So let's start. We're gonna need 2 cups all-purpose flour, half cup cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons baking powder, and half teaspoon baking soda. Then we combine all these ingredients. Give a good mix. Then set it aside. Then we need 3/4 cup walnuts, half cup semi-sweet chocolate chips. Here I use black and white chocolate chips, but you also can use one color chocolate only. 1 cup sugar. Here I use raw sugar. Some almonds for garnish. 2 tablespoons cooking oil. 1 cup fresh milk. Vanilla extract. A pinch of salt. And 1 egg. Firstly, we need to chop the walnuts to small pieces. Then we set aside. Add the egg to the bowl and beat. Add sugar and continue beating until everything combined. Then we add milk. Cooking oil, vanilla extract, salt. Then we shift the powder ingredients. Then give a mix until everything combined. Remember not to overmix. Add chopped walnuts, then chocolate chips. I wanna spoon out some for garnishing later, but if you don't want, you don't need to do it. Then pour the rest of the chocolate chips into the mixture and mix until combined. Lay on the cupcake paper on the muffin pan and scoop the batter in. We just scoop the batter until 3/4 of the cupcake paper height. Add almond on the top. This is my way, but you can also chop the almonds and mix together with the other ingredients. Then I garnish with the rest of the chocolate chips. As what I mentioned before, if you don't want to do this step, you just mix all the chocolate chips with other ingredients. Then we bring to bake in preheat oven at 175 Celsius in 20 to 25 minutes time. After taking the muffins out of the oven, leave them on the rack until completely cool down. Trust me, the taste is really delicious and my son can eat every day. Hope you guys will make this recipe at home and let me know how do you feel. If you guys like my recipe, please thumb up, subscribe my channel and click on the bell beside to update my new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.